In this video, I'll walk you through the process of making your Nintendo Switch have better graphics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Improving your Nintendo Switch's graphics enhances visual quality, providing a more immersive gaming experience. It allows you to enjoy richer textures, smoother gameplay, and clearer visuals. To adjust your Nintendo Switch settings for optimal graphics, start by accessing the interface of your controller. Once you're at the main menu, navigate to the System Settings option, which you'll find within the System page. From here, scroll down slightly to find the TV settings. Click on this option, and a new page will appear with additional settings related to your TV and display preferences. On this page, the first thing you'll want to adjust is the TV resolution. Click on this option, and from the available resolutions, choose the 1080p setting, as it provides the highest possible resolution for optimal visual quality. This will ensure that your Nintendo Switch is delivering the best possible image for your gameplay. Next, navigate to the RGB range option. This setting controls how your display handles color information, and it's best to set it to full range for the most accurate and vibrant colors. This will give you a more dynamic and immersive visual experience while playing your games. Once you've completed these adjustments, you're ready to start any game on your Nintendo Switch. With these settings applied, the game will automatically run with the highest quality graphics and full color range, providing you with the best visual experience possible. Whether you're playing a fast-paced action game or something more atmospheric, these changes will enhance your overall gaming experience. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.